Hello friends and partners of ECOLE Espoir Avenue. Here we want to show you the beautiful building that is being used by the children at our school where they are studying from. There are excellent classrooms where the children are studying when they are comfortable, they are safe, they are happy to study from this class. We cannot even adapt from the skills they are getting from this kind of building they are studying from. It's a well-built school that is launched in this year where the children are studying. They are sitting in when they are free without any overpopulation. It's a wonderful looking and well-designed building that is modern. So, do you wish your child to study from a comfortable classroom? Don't hesitate to bring your child just in our school. It's well, it's good, and not only that, just even the other classroom are well built, well designed, where they study when they are safe with good green and nice environment. They are children, they are trained to have discipline when they are coming from short call or long call. They are just online to make sure that they are well disciplined whenever they are. Each step they step, it shows that it is well organized school. So thank you for joining us. Thank you for working with us. We are very happy to work with you, parents, and hope that if you're not bringing your child from our school, don't hesitate to bring the child. We are happy to work with you. This is Espoir de l'avenir. Do you want me to show you how the inside of a classroom looks like? Let me have a little bit just to show you how the classroom are very comfortable. The children are studying well. Yeah.